Thank you for your inquiry on 210 Northeast Larson Lake Lane in Belfair. This is Ellisa with Keller Williams Team Red. I am here in the Beards Cove community. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house with a 2-car garage and shop on 0.18 acres, fully fenced with gated entry. Again, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Head on inside. As we enter the house, we see the living room, the kitchen, the side door, coat closet, original hardwood floors, brand new laminate tile, freshly painted walls and ceiling throughout the home. This updated kitchen and dining has had fresh cabinet painting, brand new countertops, brand new sink, new appliances, new paint, and new flooring. We continue down the hall to the bathroom. The updated vanity, washer dryer, extra storage. All appliances stay. Fresh paint. New toilet for high efficiency. Come to the first bedroom. Closet. Independent zoned heating. Double pane windows. Freshly painted, original hardwood floors. Second bedroom with extra storage, double closet, original hardwood floors again. Third bedroom, closet space, independent zoned heating, and that concludes the inside of the home. Taking you now to the backyard. Lots of space for all your outdoor activities. Beautiful lawn, fully fenced, with a gated driveway. Now we're entering the 2-car garage and shop that's detached. Lots of storage space. Single door 2-car garage, storage shelving for your personal usage, the plumbed air compressor with regulator, separate electrical panel, We're now at our first stop in the Beards Cove community, the playground and the basketball area with picnic benches. Fenced in with security cameras for added security. Maintained by the Homeowners Association. We're going to continue next to the community pool that is open with extra precautions during this time. We are now here at the community pool in Beards Cove HOA with a maximum depth of 8 feet 6 inches. There are life vests for you to use. There is a bathrooms for both men and women, as well as lounging tables and bleach wipes for extra precautions. We're going to move down to the lower park on the Hood Canal. We are at our final stop of the Beards Cove community. This is the picnic area and field overlooking the Kingle Wetlands Refuge. It was recently renovated between 2011 and 2015. It has a gated community with private parking, picnic benches, a large field. You can see behind me. It's great for picnics, gatherings. From the breeze you can tell, kite flying. If you'd like to tour the property and the community, as this area is gated, please contact me. My number is 360-801-1384. I'd be happy to answer any questions and give you a home tour. Thanks and have a wonderful day.